How to add event to calendar on Note 15 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on calendar app. After click on calendar app, click on this plus icon. If you want to add event to calendar, select event. After select event, select date from here. After select date, select year from here. After select year, click on OK and click on reminder. After click on reminder, click on one day before event at 10 a.m. After the process, click on this tick icon. After click on this tick icon, you will see your event is add. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add event to calendar on Note 15 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.